Welcome, today I am with Google Pixel 6 and I will show you how you can apply glass on the display in this phone. So at the first you have to remember about the good lighting condition. As you can see, in my case I can spot on the display few fingerprints, some kind of the greasy marks, and also a few pieces of the dust. So at the first, remember about that. You have to see a blurry image that you have on the screen and then clean it. But at the first you have to turn off your device. Okay, maybe we can make it from this panel. Okay, so turn off your device and then open box with your glass, where you will find tempered glass and also two wipes, wet and a dry. At the first we are going to open the wet one. And then just simply clean your screen. You have to remember to reach a very corner and edge. And after a few moves, we easily clean our screen. As you can see, it goes very fast. So we can put back this wet wipe and open dry. And just do the same. So right now we have to remove this wet marks from the screen. Okay, as you can see right now, our display looks very nice. And we have to open this glass. I mean, we have to remove this sticker, and with this sticker you will also remove the foil that is attached to the screen. So grab the sticker like that and remove this foil gently. Do it slowly. Okay, and that's it. Right now, just take a look one more time on your display. In my case, I can spot here one piece of the dust, so I'm going to remove it. And when everything is fine with your display, just put glass on it. You have to hold with two fingers the bottom part of the glass and try to put it correctly right here at the top. You have to put it evenly for the both edges. So in my case, I have to move it a little bit to the left side like that. And when you are sure that everything is fine, you have to put your finger right here and you have to remove your fingers from the bottom part, just like that. And right now, as you can see, it goes automatically, so you don't even have to press on the screen, but for sure you can to make it a little bit faster. And there it is. Right now I'm going to remove fingerprints from this glass, especially right here from the top corners. Okay, and at the end you can spot here also a few marks right here. They are under the glass, and if you want to remove them, that's very simple. You can just simply press with your fingernail, and as you can see, it will disappear. So you have to make it for the whole screen. You can also leave it, it will disappear after a few days, but I want to remove it right now. You can also make it with this wipe. Just simply press on the marks and they will disappear. Okay, and as you can see, that's all. Right now our display looks cool with the glass. We can turn on the device and I will show you that there is no any problem with the touch interaction. So basically you don't have to be afraid of applying glass on your screen in this smartphone. And honestly, for any other smartphone, from the latest smartphones from 2020, 2019, because right now all these displays are very sensitive for the touch. And also in the most cases you can find an option to increase the sensitivity of your display. As you can see, everything works fine. So yeah, that's all. That's how we can apply tempered glass on Google Pixel 6. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.